Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a iconic 90s hairstyle blowout. So it's been a couple of hours. The wind has been through it. But honestly, it still looks really good, very voluminous, and I thought it'd be cool to show you guys how I do it as well as the products that I use. So before I jump in, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, let me know down below what other videos you guys want to see, and let's just jump right in. So the first thing that I do want to talk about is the kind of hairstyle that I have. I think that is very important when you're doing this kind of look slash blowout. So I do have really long hair at the moment. I do have a lot of long layers, and then in the front I currently have a bunch of face framing as well as almost side bangs. So that is the hairstyle that I have, and then the next thing we are going to be talking about is the products that I use. So I'm going to start off with shampoo. I'm not going to show you guys because I had the jumbo one and I'm just not going to bring it over here. It's in my bathroom. But I use the Redken All Soft shampoo. So that is the one I started using for my hair journey because I used to dye my hair a lot. My hair was fried, guys. It was so bad. And I started using that one because it makes your hair nice and soft and it just makes it really nice and shiny. So that is the one I use. Then I also go in with a mask in the shower. I've been using this instead of conditioner because it acts as a conditioner and a mask as well. So the mask that I've been using is the Deep Conditioning Mask by Eva NYC, and this one's so good. It smells amazing. It has like a hint of like vanilla smell, but it smells like salon quality, like what I would expect like a salon to be using. So I really like the smell of this, and it has like vitamin B5. It just makes my hair super soft. So when I got out the shower, there's no tangle. It just leaves my hair like tangle free and soft. So I've been using this with that shampoo, and then the next product that I've been using that I love so much, this is probably gonna be my third bottle. When the Sephora sale comes, I think it's around the corner, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase another one. But the next product that I use is the Color Wow Dream Coat. Now this makes your hair really soft, shiny, helps with the heat from any tools that you're gonna use, and I just feel like it just makes my hair feels really nice. I know there's some product that, even shampoos, if I'm being honest, that I've used before and I've left feeling like my hair is like gritty, or like, I don't know, like as if there's texture and like rough. So that's why I like make sure that I'm using the products that best suit my hair type. I went ahead and used this hair oil serum. It's for damaged and over-processed hair, which I really like, and I love the smell of it. This one's blackberry coconut oil, and it smells so good, and it actually works really well. This is my first time trying it, and I actually really like it a lot. Now on to the styling tools that I use. Basically, I only use one styling tool, and it is the Shark Flex Style. If you don't know what it is, it's basically almost like the Dyson Airwrap. It has multiple attachments. This is the one I use the most. And then the blow dryer version, usually you can flip up like this and put the attachment. We're going to go down to the last three items that I use, which is the wet brush to go ahead and just detangle my hair after the shower. This brush right here is what you need in order to get a really nice front area, especially when you have a lot of layers and face framing in the front. You need a smaller brush like this. Look at the difference right here. But that is everything that I use for my hair. Now let's go ahead and jump into the demo. I'm going to show you guys how I get this very beautiful 90s blowout. So onto the demo. So I'm starting off by parting my hair where I like my part to be, and then I'm gonna start brushing and detangling the hair. So you guys are gonna see that the brush literally just glides through the hair, and it's honestly because of the mask that I use. It just makes my hair super soft and it just makes it easier to brush. Now I'm going in with the color wow. I'm going to make sure that I get every single part of my hair, and especially focusing on the tops of my hair, basically where the bangs are. And then I'm going to go ahead and separate the bangs. And you guys are going to see here that there's a big size difference between the two brushes here. That's why I like going with the smaller brush. It's gonna give me a more precise little flip, and that's how I like the front of my hair to be. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the bangs really quick just to get it out of the way, and then apply a little roller, and then we can focus on the rest of the hair. Now I did change the attachment, so I'm using the one that comes with the shark, and I am going under and on top of the hair just because I want to make sure that both sides are dry. And then once I have my hair dry, I go under to create as much volume as I can, and then I start circling those ends. While the hair is still hot, I like to go in with my brush because, like I said, it has a smaller barrel, so it just does a better job at curling my ends. And basically, I just keep doing this step. So I go under and then over, and then once the hair is dry, I go under just to create as much volume at the top of my roots. Then I go in with the brush to curl the ends while the hair is still hot. So I basically just keep repeating this step. I believe I have like 2 more sections. And I'm going to be very honest, I was rushing today because I had to be out by a certain time. So I was cutting it close. But regardless, I feel like the hair came out really, really nice. So this is basically half of my hair done. You're going to see how much volume it has. And then I went ahead and did the other side off camera. Now it's time to work on the front bangs and face framing. So basically what I like to do is use that same brush. I switched it over to the blow dryer side, and I basically start curling down using that brush where the face framing are. Then I go ahead and add some oil to tame the frizz. And then basically I'm going to use my hand to flip up the hair. So since I'm pushing the hair up from the roots, I feel like the bangs start to settle and starts turning so that it like flips to the side. And that creates that very voluminous like 90s hair blowout. So hopefully you guys love it. Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.